To manage consolidation methods, begin by selecting Consolidation from the application cluster. In applications with the Ownership Management feature enabled, the consolidation method assigned to a child entity determines the percentage consolidated to its parent. For example, the subsidiary consolidation method specifies that children owned between 50% and 100% are consolidated to the parent at 100%. Consolidation methods also set the control flag for the entity. The control flag indicates whether the parent has a controlling interest in the entity. If the control flag is yes, and the entity is owned less than 100%, a minority interest percentage is calculated. The consolidation method, consolidation percentage, and minority interest percentage are used in calculations during consolidation. For example, equity adjustments and intercompany eliminations. To manage consolidation methods, select Manage Consolidation Methods from the Actions menu. Financial Consolidation and Close includes 7 predefined consolidation methods. For more detailed information about the predefined consolidation methods, please refer to the documentation. You can modify the ranges for the predefined methods. You cannot modify the control or consolidation percentage settings. I'll modify the range for the equity method. I'll change the upper limit from 50% to 60%. Notice that the lower limit for the subsidiary method was adjusted automatically to greater than 60%. The percentage ranges for the consolidation methods must cover from 0 to 100% with no gaps and no overlap. You can add percentage ranges to methods that don't have them. I want the proportional method to be assigned automatically to entities owned greater than 50 up to 60%. So I'll add a range to it and then drag it above the equity method. Now I'll enter the upper and lower limit. Notice that I cannot change the control or consolidation percentage setting because this is a predefined method. In addition to the predefined methods, you can create user-defined consolidation methods. I'll remove the range from the proportional method and then add a new consolidation method for the same percentage range. Select an existing method and then use the menu options to place the new consolidation method above or below it. I'll name the method and then enter a lower limit of greater than 50 and an upper limit of equal to or less than 60. Notice that I can edit the control and consolidation percentage fields in the user-defined method. I'll leave control at the default of yes and select the pown keyword for the consolidation percentage. Pown sets the consolidation percentage equal to the ownership percentage. Save the consolidation methods. Anytime you modify consolidation methods or modify the entity structure, you must recompute ownership data. Recomputing ownership data reassigns the consolidation methods based on the new settings. You cannot run consolidations for a period until you recompute ownership data for the period and all prior periods. I have recomputed the ownership data, so I'll verify my new consolidation method. I'll enter 55 as the ownership percentage for an entity. Custom method is assigned as the consolidation method and control is set to yes. Because the pown keyword was used for consolidation percentage, it is set equal to the ownership percentage. I'll enter 61% as the ownership percentage for another entity. Because 60% was the upper limit for custom method, the system assigns subsidiary method and a minority interest percentage is calculated. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.